Well, today we are doing Color Wars, which is one of the team building activities that we do a couple of times throughout the year. And the purpose is really just building that camaraderie between the students, between the grade levels, between students and teachers, just kind of getting to know each other and just building a sense of community. Today, well, we have sports activities outdoors. They have basketball, volleyball. There are indoor activities. We have bingo right behind us. We have trivia. We have gaming rooms. We have a little bit for everybody. It's really exciting to be able to see even the teachers. So we try to have some teachers versus students competitions, and the students get to see the teachers in a different light. So that just really builds those relationships that we really thrive here at Early College High School.